Yeah. So, guys, question of the day is, which is your favorite Piston Cup race fan from either the first Cars movie, Cars 2? I guess I should include that since it's like maybe it's the 2015th anniversary of the Cars 2 film, Cars 3. I mean, it's only 9 years. It's only 9 years old, the movie itself, Cars 3, and then I guess it would be also having its own anniversary, maybe around like 2027. His its 10th anniversary, which is quite exciting, but who knows? Question of the day: who is your favorite race fan from either Cars 1, 2, or 3? My personal favorites are definitely the classics, which are Mia and Tia, which is uh definitely, honestly, one of my most favorite ones. Cars 3, on the other hand, is Maddie McGear. Cars 2, unfortunately, I have no other favorites from that movie. Sorry about that. Just 1 minute. Um, am I missing something? There we go. That's what's missing. Now I finally noticed. So, oh dear, it's like my my face can't really show up on my camera all that well, but here we are, finally face reveal. What you guys all been requesting in so much of my videos. Basically, usually in my videos, I usually just show nearly half of my face. You can see my hand right here, my big hand on the camera. During my outros, actually, but here I am, finally in personal, and behind all of the voices at which all of my all of these videos, actually, I'm actually the main star behind all of the review videos. To In order to get to know me in person, um you might you might as well get to know. By the way, my name is actually Luis, as in the spelling of my name is Luis. So that's the spelling of my name. Short introduction for that. Today's video, reviewing this wonderful car over here. I would be reviewing Christina Whelan, race fan, Cars 1, Piston Cup. So let's get on with the review. I might be maintaining this format surely around my birthday and Christmas hauls by this time. Like, what do you mean? It's 2026, new start of a brand new year. But enough of those aside. It's 2026. I have to spice some things up a bit, some new changes, and whatever else new on the channel. And that's pretty much also it. As you may see, I don't even have JW yet, which is like, I guess, the exact partner of Christina Whelan. These two are actually in between. Me and Tia are actually between these two, Christina and Jay. I don't know if they're either a couple or just not quite entirely sure. I know they appeared next to Mia and Tia during the Dinoco 400. Motor Speedway of the South, which is the first race of the first Cars movie. During when McQueen jumps in the air and then sticks his tongue out, such a memorable scene and moment for us Cars collectors. I have some of the characters, at least, who actually appeared pretty much in the uh pretty much who appeared in the first I mean, Motor Speedway of the South, actually. Like Bob, Daryl, the officials, Tom, the two Tom officials, Tow Truck Tom and Official Tom, Race Official Tom and Race Tow Truck Tom, Richard Clayton, I guess this guy's name, and then not to be confused with the other guy, which after how many times I've been confused with those two, with Marco Axel Bender, then Marlon Clutches McKay, and Charlie Checker, Piston Cup pace car, who who carried on all the way to the LA race, tiebreaker race, all the way towards the end. Pace car. I know there's also a variant of this guy which has like the back tail lights, instead of red, it's yellow, orangey type of yellow. But we're not here to talk about that. By the way, this guy didn't actually appear the Motor Speedway of the South during the intro of the first Cars movie. Barry Diesel, excluding him. So, I got a bit concerned that while I was setting this up, this thing actually popped up for some reason. Since like the age of these been in storage, since I don't actually put them out, only in, since I don't have like actually like some proper places yet, just yet as of now, in where to store my cars properly, so no wonder they're getting that much chips. Like, for example, Charlie Checker. Alright, back to review time on excuse me. So back on review of Miss Christina here. Very nice. So actually, she's actually a big, huge amount of difference compared to her Chinese 2015 release, which is from China. I mean, here from Thailand, she looks actually more of a metallic blue. New makeover for her, actually, but it's very unique. I guess same expression. And plus, maybe the eyeliner, Thailand treatment, as they always say, which I have heard from some videos. Say they pretty much also really use the actually copied and pasted her like picture or image from the 2015 release as a single, along with the 2-pack with JW. Pretty cool. Piston Cup, obviously as seen from the first Cars movie, that's correct. Pretty much just a plain sort of vehicle. Whatever model she is. But I just like the metallic blue, which attracts me the most on Christina. I know back then, during her first release, the flag came unattached. Once you unbox her, you have to attach it yourself, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. The back, don't mind that, please. View as seen in Disney Pixar Cars. That's absolutely correct. At least they actually got the movie right. There are some slight tendencies that actually Mattel actually screw things up, like they kind of get things mixed up, like as in Cars 3, Cars 2, then so on and so forth. In other cases, these are the cars that you can actually find, like Dexter Rover. I can't actually see. This is actually surely the green flag variant. JW, still yet to get, and I'm still looking for it as still until now. Pick Remember Sarge, I'm still dying to get. Ever since its first release, China. Anima Queen with Sign. Okay, that's also a nice release. Classic. Darrow Car Trip, Thailand. And Mario Andretti. Alright. So it's just another very first solo review after in a while. Without any comparisons. I have never done this in a while. Which is pretty insane. Oh no, it's raining in my area. Well, that concludes for this video, folks. I can see you on the next one, I guess. So, this is again Disney Pixar Cars fan saying peace.